Hello students, welcome to Knowledge Viewpoint. So this is Arts and Craft series in which we will do shading. So today our topic is rendering of fruit basket with pencil colors. So let us see. So first step is to draw a sketch of fruit basket which I have already drawn. Use a good HB pencil or a 2B pencil or 4B pencil to draw it. Now we'll use pencil colors to rendering. Rendering is also a type of shading. So let us start. First of all, start with the banana. So in banana, first of all you have to use yellow color. Use colors very softly. Hold them like this and yes, use it very softly. Do not force so much. After doing a light color, a light yellow color, yellowish color, use light green for detailing it. Like in the corners, or there are some lines on the real banana, so you have to make that look. Now move on to next fruit. Let us do it in apple. So use a red color. And use pencil color in only one direction. Do not do like this and this. It will give a wrong impression. Okay. So now we have to create the originality of a fruit. But we are doing first step in which we have to just do a little color in the fruits. So let us now do in this mango. It is green in color, mango. So use very lightly. Now this is maybe yellow pear, so we have to do yellow in this. Now use yellow color for banana. As I have already said that this is first step, so we have to just do a basic color in all the fruits. Now yes, the leaves of apples are left, so yes. Now it is the turn of basket. You can do any color in the basket. I am taking this pink color. Just do a little bit. So our basic first step is done. We have done with the basic colors in all the fruits in the basket. Now we use the same colors to render it, to make shading. So first of all, start with this basket. You have to just render it, make some dark sides. Use color in the corners, as in the corners of anything looks dark. So we have to show lighter portion in the center. Now use some force. Yes. Yes. Okay, now I will use brown color to make some like here near the knots of this basket. Use some brown color too. Yes. Here also in the bottom. Yes. I think we have done with the basket. Now move on to fruits. So let us do with the banana. So take yellow color, make it some dark. In the corners. Yes. Now use some green color. A little bit of green color. Take brown color. Now we'll do with apple. So yes, in the first step we have done basic color. Now you have to make some curved shape. First of all, you have to make this point in the apple. Use colors outside. Now here use some yellowish color to give a tinge. Use some green color. Now move on to banana. First make second coat with this yellow color. Then we know we have to use green color in the corners. Also now usage of brown colors in the corners. So we're done with the two steps. First is basic coloring of the coloring in the fruits. Second, to render, to shade the lighter and the darkest part in the drawing. Now we'll use black pencil color for the outline. Our last, or we can say second last step of the drawing is using black color and outlining it. It will highlight and it will give a finishing to our drawing, which is very important to do. Almost our drawing is complete. You have to just look at some corners or some sharp points to give a final touch. So yeah. So yes, now we have done the outline also. Now I think our drawing is complete. Look it carefully how I have used same colors different times to render the different parts of the fruits and the basket. Okay, at the end use some black. You can use some black pencil color to give more highlighting to the basket. So I hope you now understand how to use pencil colors. As I have already always said, like, patience is key to good drawing. So you need to be patient. Do not hurry, do not hustle to make any drawing. You have to be patient, and it takes much time to draw, to make a beautiful paint. So this is a fruit basket, a rendering fruit basket. So thank you students for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.